big capability doesn't always need a big footprint, and this 2018 GMC Canyon proves it. Check out this 2018 GMC Canyon 4-wheel drive, finished in eye-catching Red Quartz Tintcoat. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful V6 engine, paired with a smooth 8-speed, automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, giving you the capability and confidence you want year-round. It's already equipped with running boards, a tonneau cover, and a hood deflector, adding extra practicality and a great truck-ready look. With capable performance and easy-to-manage mid-size dimensions, this Canyon is ready to go. Come see it today at Truro Toyota and book your test drive.